This is not only, again, really good for teaching horses how to swing at the trot and making their back elastic each side at a time, but it's also very good prep for the flying changes. So again, when I haven't warmed up yet because I wanted to kind of start Raphi cold so you guys can see it, I want to first and foremost check on, is he waiting for me? Is he elastic over his back? Is this left hind leg taking the right weight? So just like Montana's video of the bending, yielding, waiting for me, are you on the bit? But also Gideon's video of my half halt in the post, you know, it's like wait, 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 good boy. And again, wait, 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 good job. And again, wait, 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 good job. That I just want to like teach him, because he doesn't quite want to fill up my saddle with his back, and he doesn't want to totally bow up in the wither, and he doesn't want to totally step into my contact, right? So we have to teach him that. We have to like help him figure out what we want. I want a longer neck, I want a rounder back, and I want stronger hind legs. Wait, 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 good boy. So mixing in all of those exercises that you've already seen. You know, the Team Tate Academy is like a glossary that you can study each piece of this, but eventually you have to be able to put them all together and incorporate them and integrate them into your daily ride. Wait, 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 good boy. Because a running horse is not a forward horse, and he's not really drivable if he's running. Most times then the horse is out of balance. Good boy. So I'm just gonna start this now like in a posting trot, in a very like baby bend. I'm gonna take the whole diagonal this time. I'm just gonna allow him to look a little bit to the right, left leg under. Good, he's struggling. Gonna gently change it over to a leg yield. I'm gonna stay on my same post because I wanna be able to like left hind, left hind, left hind, left hind when I sit. Good boy. Make him wait, good boy. And again, I'm still just warming up. So again, I'm gonna, of course he loves this because everyone loves to put their haunches to the left, ha ha ha. Good boy. As I cross X, I'm gonna keep the right leg, right leg, right leg, right leg, right leg as it comes off the ground. Good boy.